Watch the Watcher by Yinka Odumaki is a book of remembrance of former President Olusegun Obasanjo years.
We must not allow those who have taken advantage of us to continue to rewrite history. That even when they write their own history, we should put out our own story to counter their own story.
The book naturally evoked reactions from prominent Nigerians in attendance.
It's a provocative book, and I know some other authors will write based on whatever they must have read, in this book.
Many aspects of the book written by President Obasanjo needs serious correction.
Preparations for the forthcoming general elections received a lot of mention as speakers bear the lines on why it is necessary for Nigerian politicians to play according to the rule.
The president we have is not a kind of president that we want to go against the wish of the people.
In terms of security, the government is working, people are working.
The 257-page book is divided into 4 chapters, with the last chapter chronicling the opinions of different Nigerians about the former presidents.